Today I'm using my anti-slip sticker to make high-index lenses. Right eye, -9.50D myopia, -4.00D astigmatism, left eye, -9.00D, -2.00D cylinder. Without decent ration templating, processing becomes tricky. Prism-axis alignment often shifts. This templating is now complete. Check out this thickness. Without decent ration control, especially with semi-auto edgers, the lens bevel angle tends to tilt during cutting. When the cutting head lowers, prism-axis deviation occurs easily. PD measurement naturally has tolerance. Decent ration templating ensures better precision. Now, after securing the suction cup, the backside. Press on the silicone cushion. It's really not troublesome at all. Don't underestimate this cushion. It serves multiple purposes. Perfect for glass lenses. Prevents breakage. Protects PC lens coatings. For low-power lenses. Prevents photochromic coating damage. Acts as anti-slip protection and anti-shock buffer simultaneously. Many shop owners report excellent results. The front uses double-sided tape. If removed, simply recut it to size. Quick regrinding solves size issues. Exactly. If the back part detaches, even if it falls off, wipe the surface dry. Reapply it immediately. No quality compromise, right? Especially for glass lens grinding. They're made for each other. Zero risk of glass shattering. Perfect fit eliminates recutting needs. Check. The final product, -9.50D with -4.00D cylinder, well-fitted frame selection, and proper PD measurement. Aesthetically excellent overall. Freshly cut lens blank, now removed from edger. Post-removal appearance. This lens sticker with adhesive. Truly optimal combination. Minimal frame curvature needed. Works with any frame type, even slightly warped ones. When peeling it off, after 10+ successful applications, the sticker remains reusable. Multiple uses possible. If adhesion weakens, brief heat treatment restores grip. Proper tools, suitable frame, perfect finished product. Now, let's verify the parameters. 71 millimeters. 70 millimeters. Ah. (79 millimeters). Notice these measurements? Domestic cutting machines have slight tolerance ranges, completely normal. Any issues? All good. PD measurement, 59 millimeters pupillary distance. Trimmed the scale's front gap, achieves perfect tool alignment. The anti-static film with silicone pad works wonders.